Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, thank you for joining. My name is Shay, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that red button down below. So with that being said, let's just jump right in. So a lot of you guys wonder how I get my curls to bounce back, especially when I've had my hair straightened for a long time. I'm going to share with you guys all of the products that I use, the exact process step by step on how I get these poppin' defined curls. So if you're interested in learning more, then keep watching. I start off by saturating my straight hair with water. Since my hair hasn't been properly cleansed in quite a while, I'm starting with the purifying and hydrating exfoliating hair mud. This one here is from Shea Moisture's green coconut and activated charcoal line, and I focus this only on my scalp. This treatment helps with removing excess buildup and rebalancing an oily scalp. All of the products mentioned in this video are all cruelty-free, organic, and natural. They have no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no animal testing, no petroleum, and no phthalates or propylene glycol. After rinsing this out, I follow up with the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Deep Cleansing Shampoo. And this has tea tree oil and willow bark extract. This shampoo helps with lifting away pre-wash treatments, dirt, excess oil, and flaky buildup as you calm and soothe the scalp. Again, with cleansing, I tend to focus only on the scalp to avoid stripping the rest of the hair of its moisture. I always do 2 rounds of cleansing just to make sure my scalp is squeaky clean and everything is out. As I rinse this out, the lather will cleanse the ends of my hair that I didn't put the soap directly on. I don't know if it's just me, but is there anybody else that find rinsing out lather or soap from your hair like the most satisfying thing ever? If you agree, definitely leave a comment down below. I know it's not just me. Next up, I'm gonna pump a few pumps of this 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner. I use this to rehydrate, soften, and detangle my entire hair. I usually break my hair up into sections, usually 4, and just detangle with my fingers one by one. After my hair is fully detangled, then I'll follow up with a conditioning treatment. Today I use the sugarcane extract and metal foam seed silicone free miracle mask with marshmallow root. This conditioner restores moisture, reduces frizz, and enhances flexibility, softness, and shine to the hair. Once the treatment is all throughout my hair, I usually tie everything up into a top knot and throw on a plastic cap and sit under a hair dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I rinse it out and I styled my hair with the coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie and let my hair air dry. So this is actually day 2 of my curls. I don't really like the way that it looks on day 1 because it's a little more thin. Day 2, it's a little more voluminous, which I really like. The curls are still very defined, they're light and fluffy. And as you guys know, all of this was achieved with just one style, which is pretty good. Very lightweight, and I'm pretty satisfied. I think the curls came out really great. There's absolutely no heat damage at all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and was able to learn something that you can include or incorporate in your own wash day routine. If you guys have any questions or if you guys end up trying any of the products that I shared, definitely leave a comment below and let me know how it works out for you. All of the products mentioned in this video will be linked below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.